Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing the lock screen shortcuts on your Android smartphone device. So whether you have a Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel phone, you want to change the shortcuts that are displayed on your lock screen. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen, and then you want to select the settings gear button. You want to scroll down and select where it says wallpaper and style. And then scroll down underneath where it says shortcuts, device controls. Go ahead and select the little home icon here. And then if you want to allow additional shortcuts, whether on the left or the right side, you can go ahead and just click inside of here, and then it will allow you to add them to your shortcut page. You'll see that it'll appear here, and it'll be highlighted around the icon. If you want to disable or remove them from your lock screen, just click on it one more time, and that would turn it off. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.